Okay, another short video. Don't want to insult your intelligence, but we're going to set the coffee maker up so that you can use the coffee pods rather than try to go through all the trouble of making a full pot. You can if you want to. I'll leave the instruction book out someplace if you decide to go that route. But anyway, the pod maker is already located in it. We usually keep the pods in here, although they may be someplace else. You simply get the pod out, drop it in there, close it up. Okay, press the on button. Okay, whoop. I guess it kind of did it automatically. Get your cup of coffee. There's a little platform here, depending on if you have a big cup or a little cup or a travel mug or whatever. You can set it for smaller amounts, 10, 8 ounces. If you go for 12 ounces, you can push the brew style over here button. It's a touch screen kind of a thing. You see it goes specialty, classic, rich. Rich is going to drop it, basically just drop it an ounce. And over ice, such and such. Then just hit the start brew and off it'll go. Just make sure the reservoir is filled up. You can do that with a measuring cup, or you can actually just take it off of there as long as you get it put back on there properly. And once it is done, it will beep at you. You hear it starting now, and it will brew a nice cup of coffee.